Hey guys, James and Mark here. Today we are going to be making
Spam Musubi from home. We don't actually have the Spam Musubi like mold. Maybe we could use the Spam can as our mold. So we'll see if we're successful or not.
Is this like a hack then?
It's a hack.
I just want to do a quick shout out to the Coldest Water. Thank you guys so much for sending us these awesome new water bottles for us to use in our mukbang.
And if you want one too, you could actually get free shipping using the promo code JamesMark. So we have some rice behind us right here. And it's seasoned a little bit with sesame oil and salt. Take your can.
Okay, and you lined it with some saran wrap.
Saran wrap, so it's easier to take out.
Okay.
And then let's create the first layer. You want total amount, including the ingredients inside, to maybe be like 3/4 full of the can. Okay.
I have no idea how this is gonna turn out.
I know. Let's add a piece of Spam in.
Okay.
So this should fit because we're using the same Spam.
Yeah. You add it to mine. I don't have gloves, and after doing that last video, like I feel like I'm scarred for life. Like I don't want to touch food if I can help it.
Going to add some egg to ours. So traditionally it doesn't have eggs in it, but
you did a beautiful job like rolling those eggs. You brought them skills back from Japan, didn't you?
Yeah. Okay.
Look. This looks 3/4 of the way full.
Well, we need to add more rice on top.
Oh yes, I forgot about that. Mine's gonna be like a full fat musubi. And I don't know if you guys can tell from the can, but we ended up using teriyaki flavored Spam, so that way you don't have to create your own
Teriyaki sauce.
Yeah. So it's already seasoned, which makes it more convenient. Mine's already to the top.
That's okay. I've seen fatter Spams before, or Spam Musubis before. And they say you are what you eat. Take out this round wrap.
Ooh, this seems like it would be very like pleasureful to like take out. Oh,
yeah.
All right. Yeah, those are good layers.
Yeah. And then I'm gonna put it, I guess, right here.
Yeah. All right.
In the center.
That looks good.
And then let's just
roll it.
See if we could roll it.
Okay, if you're barely made it.
Oh.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Well, the egg actually looks like the biggest layer.
Try yours. Okay. I don't know. This is experiment.
Oh, I did it wrong. I'm supposed to take out the whole saran wrap.
Well, that's what I did, but
no, that makes sense.
Does it? Oh yeah. I don't think your seaweed would fit. Mine barely fits.
Okay. Look, it's all. Mine's all messed up. Look.
Oh my gosh, baby. They're okay. Whoa.
Okay, wait here. Oh my God, look at how much. Maybe this is an opportunity to just
take some. Yeah. Okay. If at least yeah. Okay, not a lot of room. Oh, good.
Here, I'll just leave mine like this, and you guys can see. So yeah, today's mukbang isn't like let's eat as much as we can. This is just more to show you guys how to make it. Oh yeah.
Oh. It's good using the teriyaki Spam. You don't have to worry about buying, another ingredient.
Yeah, and I really like the egg. It's so
the egg's really good in here, huh? You like it? Oh, it's really good with the egg. Why don't other Spam Musubi places include an egg with it, huh?
You saw how much work that was, though. And how many eggs did we use? It was a lot of eggs. It's almost the whole carton of eggs.
Busting at the seam right here.
Just like me.
Girl, suck it in.
Oh yeah. Water's still cold as promised.
Oh, it's beautiful.
I mean, I feel like our musubis are reflective of us. The fun thing about musubis is like you can totally use different proteins. Like if you don't like Spam, I've seen people use like chicken katsu or barbecue chicken, even like avocado if you like want a vegetarian version of it.
Okay, let's try this one.
I think this one has been. I think this is the prettiest of the.
Practice makes perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, so I guess a Spam can does work. We just need to get used to it.
You guys hear Haru? His cousin is over today, like animal cousin, and so we had to keep them separated. So I don't know what's going on down there as long as they're not fighting.
I think Heidi wants Spam Musubi.
How long did this take total? Because we want to give people a reality of like.
Probably like half an hour.
Okay. Yeah. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, comment, subscribe, check out one of our other videos, and we'll see you guys for our next one.